Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monalisa Rumbai, brings you the Salesian news across the globe. The team visit to the East Asia Oceania region took place in Vietnam from Wednesday 14 to Saturday 17 February 2024, an event attended by about 100 Salesians, including Cardinal Angel Fernandez Artime, Rector Major of the Salesians, with the members of his General Council and the provincials and provincial councils of the provinces and vice provinces from the region. These days were intense presentations, discussions and sharing. At the end of the team visit, Don Bosco's 10th successor then delivered his closing speech expressing gratitude and outlining a compelling roadmap for the future. Days spent in an atmosphere of closeness and trust. This is how Father Hugo Orozco, Counselor for the Inter-America region, described his extraordinary visitation to St. John Bosco community at El Molinete in La Khubor from 9 to 11 February. During his stay there, Father Orozco had the opportunity to engage in fraternal dialogue not only with the religious, but also with several teams of people of great importance in the development of the work, as they are part of the school and agricultural staff, and with the workers of the various vineyards made up of various rural communities served by the Salesians in La Khubor. The regional councillor also had the meeting with the Salesian cooperators and with the young people in the Salesian youth movement, bringing them a message of encouragement and closeness along with the Eucharist, rich in cultural expressions typical of the local Wayu culture. The Salesian work in Bethlehem, begun by the precursor Don Antonio Belloni in 1864, continues to promote the integral growth and professional and technical training of thousands of children and young people from the working classes. Today, it takes on new challenges, working in a network with the cultural, social and religious institutions of the Palestinian territory between Jerusalem and Hebron. On 10th July 2023, between Peter Bray FSC and Don Pietro Bianchi SDB, they signed a partnership agreement between the University of Bethlehem, commissioned by Pope Paul VI and governed by the Brothers of the Christian Schools, and the Technical Institute Salesian for the launch of a Faculty of Engineering in Renewable Energy. The second semester of the first year of the planned 5 years of the course is currently underway with online lessons and in-person manual exercises. On Monday, 19th of February 2024, the superiors of the 15 Salesian circumscriptions, 6 provinces and 9 vice provinces of the Africa-Madagascar region, accompanied by their provincial councillors and led by the regional councillor, Father Alphonse Uwudu, made a pilgrimage to the Marian shrine of Our Lady of Kibeho. After a welcome and the presentation of the shrine and Marian apparitions, more than 100 Salesians present took part in the Eucharist presided over by Father Uwudu. The pilgrimage to the shrine of Kibeho had been decided and fixed by the meeting of the Conference of the Provinces and Vice Provinces of Africa, Madagascar last October to constitute a moment of spiritual preparation in view of the beginning of the visitation of the region kicks off today, Tuesday 20th February. The Jesus, the Good Shepherd Province, New Delhi, India has begun a session of grace as the extraordinary visitation by Father Biju Michael, Regional Councillor for South Asia and the delegate of the Rector Major gets underway. Father Davis Mani Paramben, Provincial, warmly welcomed the visitor, aimed a large representative gathering of confreres of the region. With a sense of gratitude, he informed the visitor that the province of New Delhi, which was erected in 1997 with 105 confreres, is entering into the 27th year of its existence. As of now, there are 215 confreres working in 22 canonically erected communities and in 4 presences. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.